So, ilang days or months daw ba yung na-take nung overall nung process? So, what you have to understand kasi, it would depend on your specific situation. So, for example, if vaccinated na and up-to-date lahat ng vaccines ng pet mo, then that's good. Kasi that means you can move on to the next step, which is basically making sure na meron siyang microchip. So, yung microchip kailangan approve siya for use here in the EU. And then, pag kakalagay pa lang ng microchip na yon, then that means kailangan mo mag-wait kasi kailangan mo na siyang bakunahan ulit for the rabies vaccine. So, isang bakuna lang naman yon, and then you have to wait 30 days before blood collection para sa rabies titer test. So, yung rabies titer test, yan yung isa sa mga pinaka-importante talaga. Kailangan siya dito pag magta-travel ka or i-import ka ng pet dito within the EU or within the Schengen zones. So basically, itong rabies titer test, after blood collection, 90 days pa bago, kahit sabihin mo yung blood collection, yung mabilis yung lumabas yung results, like 14 days lang usually, kailangan mo pa mag-wait ng 90 days from the blood collection before allowed ang pet mo to travel outside of like the Philippines. And then after nyan, nung 90 days, tsaka mo pa lang pwedeng i-asikasuhin yung export permit, yung EU form, which is yung parang EU export or like import form, ganyan. So, definitely, it took us about 4 months. Nauna pa yung documents niya kasi kailangan mauna kesa yung documents ko for the Spain Digital Nomad Visa. So, definitely, it is a long process and a tedious one, but it's definitely DIY-able. Ayan, thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope you keep sending this very nice questions because I would love to make you sure that you guys stay informed. Thank you so much and have a great one. Ciao.